and welcome to Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project partners with Hard Rock Cafe India. Training workshop aims to boost farmers' skill and income in East and West Khasi Hills. East Khasi Hills DC convenes meeting on illegal settlement in military camp. And all Meghalaya SSA non-teaching staff protest for salary increase. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project MGMP has launched an exciting collaboration with Hard Rock Cafe India to elevate the rich musical heritage of Meghalaya. This innovative initiative aims to support and promote local talent by providing a national platform for emerging musicians. Through this partnership, MGMP artists will embark on a tour across various cities in India, performing at Hard Rock Cafe venues. The tour promises to offer unprecedented exposure and opportunities, allowing music enthusiasts nationwide to experience the unique sounds of Meghalaya. MGMP's mission remains focused on preserving traditional music while fostering contemporary scenes within the state. Shri Andreas Enwar and Shri Jeremy Maulong of Opus Productions highlighted that this collaboration is a significant step in showcasing Meghalaya's vibrant musical landscape to a broader audience.
The key members know the hard rock team, one seni, one jet, and milas tang ni launch hakas ni top day mentau tayo kanhun tem kabanlit nung kong ebanlit perform sebar ketika kanhun tem na po nung stone kapatengka Thunderscape ketika metal band and sini top day kita tem hapo Chennai and hadin ketu pada hapo Bangalore. Tekumta terter yakini ki bands la jet daka team na po Hard Rock Cafe. The first band ketika Thunderscape, then man ubnai ngin pha tawi ke band ban tour yakini ki Hard Rock Cafe. The lada kanika project kaya bahan ka Hard Rock Cafe ka ia hab ikani ka performance lagi ihun ya ka performance jo ki artis jo na po. Jela kila abad increase show yakini ki shows da ka ba ki ay ki tour jo ka India pro ko. Kata ketika announcement jo ka MGMP with the tie-up with Hard Rock Cafe.
Kumno ki jet ya gini ki artis pat.
Kejengji dikini ka artis tolong batok naki MGMP artis ki baju perform bat na ka management team ni ki artis ki bangi itu apa Shillong dingi national the list and then you took a list of all those bands ki bangi so ya ha ban ki hakran sam hai ya gitu ki bands ya ka took a list ki pha sa kani team jong ki niki beri rupanya ka hato dikini bawan si Shillong kila ada partai Jeremy in batai bhai pi
penyanyi ki event sampo Hard Rock di Rakesh Toshi tu ni Rakesh Toshi lawan Arsene ni sport Shillong but lawan Peit kat ki bands but kita ki bands ki bangi ni pha da ka profile me ki tingi ay ki bikin jet na lesi mentang ya pha sandali ki bands ni tingi pha ni ay bi ki bikin jet maki la jet ni kong du e ka Thunderscape ti ki lawan baki ihun ni ka band bakin tem sport Hard Rock di natakadaw ka Thunderscape kayo bandit ya kanika banle kanika project ka band bani kong duya di kin sedang kembali daong iba Andres kin sedang.
On Tuesday, the Deputy Commissioner of East and West Khasi Hills organized a special meeting with farmers and officials from the Departments of Agriculture, Fisheries and NABARD. The session, inaugurated by A. Nongbri, additional DC, focused on equipping farmers with essential skills for sustainable agriculture and market pricing strategies to prevent overproduction. The training aims to align with the Government of India's goal to enhance farmers' incomes nationwide. Participants received valuable insights on addressing agricultural challenges and improving their economic outcomes. This initiative underscores the commitment to boosting local agriculture and supporting farmers in achieving greater financial stability.
Lada tidak perlukan ini kalau penduduk berjaga tentang apa mereka pecah kalau berjaga apa lesi kalau tak itu apa kata kerja dia agar karya mata abang pecah yang orang ini ke baru ini kalau apa mereka buat apa ya ada tambang beri orang tak ada tu kata mereka dalam kami sendiri, dalam kami doa kepada tim mereka ni orang kita ke integrated farming. Apa dalam apa kerjaan itu, lada umha ini kita senang pilaim pada lagi begi tung pilaim pada lagi juri pilih. Di buat untuk penggemar wiba sistem pendidikan langsung tertutup. Dasar kata kami bersih pilih dalam pun lah aspa atam maka kantin orang dibuat kembali siswa sampai utam ni yang buka kupi di orang di haba lain pun kita say apa don hal jenis itu dimut apa nyedon hal kita dari ya burung iwi leba pinyak kesan dan buat kei ke buat pilih apa long banyak kebanyakan apa long nak keba terjadi tidak lang jong baru di tempat jong P2P di kom entai kita beri menai dah off dai ba lesi haka jumong beri ladawan manu berwantiet di rumah di ada sentuh ba la kedua la sentuh nak apa pelaj no kamtam marak di hidup pada boput ban Muslim pomlok
Shrimati Rosetta Mary Kurba, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, has summoned the Defence Estate Officer Guwahati, HYC leaders and the Superintendent of Police Traffic to address the issue of illegal occupation in Lom Survey military camp. This meeting, held on July 31st, follows the destruction of unauthorized structures by HYC members 2 months prior. It was revealed that the land in question is under judicial review, with the High Court expected to deliver its decision on August 19th. The Defence Estate Office has committed to removing all illegal occupants once the court's ruling is finalized, aiming to resolve the situation in compliance with legal proceedings.
Kumjuk nak kaliang jong office jong SP. Akbai di bat katu kui ke isu ya kebana kaliang jong keseng la shim. Kumba chupen kemau ke arplai trik ujemang jong mentau senam. Keseng hadian ba ngilalap ya ke jingdon jong kibriu ki besak bean yang tiap Lom Survey budon kumba prapo adu syespak teli long ye. Nak kaliang jong keseng ngilalet ngilashim ya kesenjam ke bangin let hi untuk jaka bat ban penpra lane ban be kita kibriu ki besak bean hak tu jaka. Pat nilayo banle ekai kepada banyo pat nilayo iru kata ka hadin bangi nak kalian jong seng ila shim itu senjaman penprai tu giye pilayo i nak kalian jong kibor kulit kila penhap kes lani kila pengat kes ikinoilam jong seng abang ila hap panwan banlet apa police station la RCN license menta kila pengat yang i kumba yang alai teligi kes ya vice president bot secretary lai teligi kes hakikendon kiba fair jong ka IPC. Tiwala kata nak kalian jong kaseng kung mangilarang yung ba katu kajaka kepada orang tu kari kajaka ke penmi ya shibun ki kambean kamtam e ang po Shillong namar ngilap kumba kaseng galap bakre ka jaka ya kabala supply udrak sa keleng ka sor Shillong kawi di ki jaka ki ba supply udrak sa keleng ka sor Shillong hakaba ki donru kinong supply la ne kita kinong di udrak ki ba le shong le sa ka to jaka dang kini kisi ngiyo jingtip ngilayo ri ki dor jong ki breu ki ba mi na to jaka ki balet bandi udrak sapo surok bat kumju ra kiwi benta jong sor Shillong bat kinda kila amit pat kile shong le sa to jaka hot matla na kaliang jong kaseng hadin ka apply trik yim shimlayo shu ban le irung to jaka namar ba hadin mangilale e to kam na kaliang jong Khubor district Khubor pulit kila pahara to jaka bang himyo shu ban rung ban mi nrei kumbang ila ong hina do basdang ngingi kwa ban yo I ya ka complete demolition la ne ka jing penpra ka bapura ka penkhut ya to jaka borok kawe ti ka jingwan yi kendu ka jong I DC mentang si ka de hadin be DC ila khot yang I banwan ban ya shong ha kini ka jing ether but ha kini ka jing lang.
On July 31st, 2024, leaders and members of the All Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association staged an indefinite protest at Mulki Ground demanding an 80% salary increase. The union has been advocating for this raise for over 8 years, citing stagnant wages despite repeated appeals to SSA school authorities. Jennifer Sinrem, the association's president, criticized the government for failing to act on previous promises, noting that recent discussions hinted at only a 25% increase. The union rejects this offer, insisting that the salary adjustment should meet their initial demand of 80%. Sinrem urged members to unite in their cause to ensure fair compensation and improve their working conditions. The protest underscores the ongoing dissatisfaction with salary adjustments and the need for substantial reform.
Platform namar bang iladap ilalong mo kat kung kajing kiyo jong ka mar ka mata menta te kala ta bhai ka ko ka jongi kayeng kasam ka jongi idan na jong ki kon kiti. So for that reason we came here because for 8 years now we have been deprived of not enhancing our salary, so in which we have given 100% of our dedication, not 100, maybe more than that also a point of time, which we have to come today to put our requests to the government, as we know that we are also the government servants. We know how to follow the rules and regulation. We have to be very, since we are working in a particular organization where we have to, with our own roles, with our own values, with our own character and personality, we replace this to each and everyone, the children of the state. So for that reason, we want to sit in demonstration for a peaceful, so that the government could listen to our plea. So with all these conditions, with all these problems, I would also like to welcome and thanks all the members who are Wala on indefinite strike can continue can kat ba kampat singap besar karingi namar kat Shillong kapkai kambai bit tingin no katampat kadang kini kata kadaw kini haban long indefinite kabot kanang yat bet kado bandayo kira ka hok kajungi pa kat kajing pan kajungi prapo persen kumbato ni ngipat laban ya ingin pala stop dengan agitation kajung
dia kumbangi ipat
perkat namar balai ya kata ban ong buka ka pamlalong namar kidan ngamdi ke member tamar wei bila yang dia bun ni dan isi members dia datang ni haban rak ka isi ni se Peit kumbang dia datang ni sabatai game
dia kumbangi im ta Khubor ba kat kum ke bangi kwa bantawa ni hami bisa ba nakaliang ki patba.
Titos Khan, MDC of Sora, visited Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA employees at Mulki Ground who are protesting for an 80% salary increase. Addressing the non-teaching staff, Khan expressed support for their cause, stating that if their demands are reasonable, the government should address them. He emphasized that his visit aimed to better understand the workers' concerns to effectively relay these to the state government. Khan committed to meeting with the Minister of Education at the Secretariat later that evening to advocate for the workers' demands. His visit highlights ongoing support for the SSA staff's call for fair compensation adjustment.
Janwit lagi je. Retip nak kino magi daung ngintip. Nyimat umnut man fia sengina kuno. Tu cancel nok ni. Tingi ni up yang ni, isong bi yang ni. Tingi ni betul ni akan kejung ya cakap.
Buat hadir prasnem mo.
Hadir prasnem. Balik ke simpor prasnem nomor bangi ngi up ya ke sarkar bahkan Peit lemengi. Ikimi linti ba ke sarkar ka deban kalau gum ka keme te ka deban skutu ya kejung kam kujung ikun. Tenrai hadir ba NEHU ba ke sarkar kamle ai husnam aja ka pra ngila persor leng ba ka government ka berim. Ka badai ka MD1 MDA1 tiga ni ka MD2 ka mentah. Tinggal sedang meniat mentala lai teli gisnam ka bangin yaki bandawai kan ke jupi tulok ke jumi teng aku aru ban penting sepi ba kan ka prasnem ru kadai ha ka era jong ni ka sarkar MDA1 bat MD2 kampat don kuno komitmen ru ka bakan aya ka benefit nam ta jongi kinong 3 SSA
Bangin pensyai mo ndian kidon ki Khubor ba ki benmi ki ki belalet ki por ki belalet ki boong yangi ba ngide ki nong play naki school bapher jong SSA ndai ka long kumni gen ni dai ki flagship program jong government of India kabadan na do cluster level hado state level ha cluster level ni dan cluster resource coordinator dan ni cluster resource person kidan ko bandres pak wingo te hapo block level pada ki block resource person dan ki block resource coordinator kidan ko ars pa sa unrungut ambare te dan tare ngi don ki block MIS ki badan life pandai ki block sapoi mentak tak don sapoi ki block te ki don pada segi block DEO ki badan block ki don pada sas aspa arpoingot ki block accountant com support staff ki badan ki block level te ki don pada segi ba ka district ki don ki coordinators pair but ki staff ba arpusan.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.